Hello there, wonderful humans. I've been noticing a lot of discourse on how we're going to train the youth on emerging technologies and how we're going to adapt curriculum fast enough to keep up with the speed of technological change. Thankfully, there's two pieces of infrastructure which can be really helpful. Firstly, this is the Tech Detector, maintained by an amazing futures and foresight group called Envisioning. I will link to them in the video description. And there's also ARK, which is our pathway generator at City as a school. So I'm going to show you how this works, and hopefully it's a tool you can use in your classrooms or with your learners at home. So if you click Pathway Generator and then go back to the Tech Detector, you can find a technology that sounds interesting, appealing, or upcoming or present in your life. If you look in the Tech Detector, there's different technology readiness levels. So you can see that there are technologies that are just in concept phase, then proof of concept, validation, prototype, and then product. And the closer it is into the circle is the closer it is to commercialization. So let's find something that sort of vaguely interests me. What's a talking book, a durable, low-cost audio device designed to address illiterate people's learning needs in remote communities? That sounds amazing. Let's grab that. And I'm going to grab any more information here that seems relevant. Have a look. This is backed by UNICEF. It's in all development goals, industries. Let's just grab that first section there. And let's see what we get in the application page. Is there anything else? Oh, there's even more here. So let's grab this whole definition here and then add that to the pathway generator and click generate. So what ARK's going to do now is generate a 5-module pathway. And this is going to include the core concepts and skills required to understand the technology behind the talking book. It's also going to do a couple other things like find free resources on the web and also recommend classes from the City as a School network. Unfortunately, there aren't any recommended classes for talking books, but if we had classes more on development of remote communities, they might show up here. But it's also gone out to, let's see what's got it from the internet. What's happened here? Talking book machines, how to use a digital talking book. We've pulled some information here. We could also go out to Coursera, Udemy, and all those core platforms and find more content. So something we can improve there. But then we're also looking at the core concepts and skills behind talking book device for remote communities. And we can see here we've got concepts starting from first principles, and we're going into more complex things in module 5. And so we can see here, how do we understand basic literacy, oral traditions, non-internet technologies. We also might want to understand things like agriculture and economy, education, hygiene. And we've got core skills here, like facilitating community discussions, using analytics for content improvement. So I can actually get a sense of like how talking books might work, both through this high-level list of core skills and concepts, but also through tutor conversations. So I could open up a tutor conversation with ARK, and this is going to pass all of those key concepts into an AI tutor so I can understand this a little bit deeper.